Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new video of cPanel and WHM tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how you can enable terminal in your cPanel account from WHM. First of all, you have to log in into your WHM account. You can see I have logged in into my WHM account. Then you have to click on list accounts from the dashboard. I am clicking here. Then you have to find your cPanel account in which you want to enable terminal. Suppose I want to enable in the first domain. First of all, I am checking the cPanel. You can see the advanced section. There are no terminal option in this advanced section. We will enable the terminal access here. For that, we are going to list accounts. Then you have to click on the plus icon. You can see here. Then you will find a modify account option. You have to click here. After clicking, you will find a interface like this. Here you have to scroll to the bottom. Here you will find a shell access. It will not be enabled. You have to enable this. After enabling, you have to click on save button. I am clicking here. Here you will find a pop-up. It will say these settings do not match any existing package on the system. Please select one of the options below. So they are saying us to create a new package with this name, our package name, and then they are adding the cPanel's username. This will create a new package with this name, which will have this privilege. And there is another option, update package, your package in which this cPanel is with these new values. It will update the package with this new privilege. And in the third option, you will find set this account to have no package. By enabling this, the account will have no package. And in the fourth option, you will find keep this account on package, the package in which this domain is. I will select this, then I will click on proceed. After clicking here, you can see it's saying success. Then if we refresh our cPanel account, here in the advanced option, you can see the terminal option has been added. I'm clicking here. Here it's saying warning. You have to click on I understood and on to proceed. I'm clicking here. You can see we have successfully enabled terminal in our cPanel account. In this way, you can enable terminal access in your cPanel account within few minutes. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.